What I have here is the Neewer phone cage. This is the universal phone cage, and this thing is super cool. Just installed it with my phone, put it together. Literally took me 2 or 3 minutes. Comes with the two handles, comes with everything except obviously for the phone. But we're gonna get a little closer look at what this cage is all about, and check this out. It is a beaut, as you can see. I'm gonna take the phone off, and all you have to do is literally go like this, and the phone will come off. So you know that it is secure with this clamp, and it actually will squeeze the phone in. Now, everything that you see here is metal. So that's a great thing to know, to have. You know that the components that you're going to actually, attach to this cage will be very, very secure. Now, I can actually customize the height of these handles on both sides, and I also can customize how the handle, so obviously I only need to unscrew these two little screws, and I can bring it up and down so the handle can be up or down, which is a really nice thing. And the cool thing is that the actual Allen keys, I have one Allen key right here, very easy to just grab and take out and use, and that's one Allen key for this is actually good for the handles, the couple of the little adjustments that you need to do here. And then the other bigger Allen key is right over here. There you go. And this one here is the bigger adjustments. And the really nice thing is that this here is magnetic. So as soon as you go in, it actually magnets down and it stays put, even if it's upside down. Now, the little jiggly that you can hear here is this actual knob. So I'm going to put the camera back on so you can actually see that the actual jiggle doesn't happen anymore. And we are free of all that noise. Really, really nice. It is extremely easy, not only easy to hold, but feels natural to hold. I'm going to be extremely smooth when I'm shooting with this cage. I love that. But that's not the only reason why I actually got this cage, because I actually got some small rig cold shoe adapters. I've got a clamp head, a ball head on top of that, because you can add things to it. From behind, from below, from behind, where you can see right here those holes, and holes at the top here. Plus, you've got shoes all the way, cold shoes on 4 corners, and also on the and I'm going to show that to you again. You've got cold shoes right here and cold shoes right here and on the bottom. What that basically does is so easy, because if I wanted to add a monitor, I mean, that's a little bit big, but just for sake of argument, right? I want to add a Ninja monitor to this whole rig. This is a phone rig again, just so you guys understand that you could really make this look way bigger. Look at this. Now all of a sudden I've got a bigger screen here. I could run cables off of this. I could actually run the cables tight and neat there. I could add an extra light if I wanted to. I could add a microphone, a boom mic, a shotgun mic, anything that I want. Cold shoe attached right into. I could actually have a battery pack if I wanted to. So attach a USB-C battery pack so I could charge my phone and pretty much any of the peripherals that I have attached here. Even with this big, quite heavy Ninja screen, it is so smooth to kind of just control. Very, very easy. Instead of having your phone, at the tip of your fingers, you actually have something that is rigged out properly. It's a really, really nice. If you're interested, if you are serious about shooting properly, shooting where you're going to be maybe shooting a lot for longer periods of time. Maybe you're a vlogger, maybe you're a travel vlogger. This thing is great because obviously, yes, you're shooting, you're shooting on a phone, but you still want to be able to have a nice quality, a nice steady shot quality. This is great. Also, because you've got those adapters on both sides here, the handles can actually fit on the vertical side. So if I wanted to actually shoot it vertically, I could customize this cage to shoot vertically or horizontally like I have it right now. I think this thing is great. It really blows the last cage that was all plastic, really blows it out of the water. I am so happy to have this one. Can't wait to rig it out.